These were just 3 of the courses I took earlier on in my career, and over a decade later, I'm still using them regularly in my practice. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Steven here with Team Euphoric, and today I want to discuss what are some of the best certification courses for manual therapists, coaches, and trainers. It's been just over 20 years since I did my first certification course, and in that time, I've completed over 60 different certification courses, not including my college diploma or the over 1,500 hours of workshops and seminars. In total, I've spent over 4,000 hours on in-class and hands-on study and close to $200,000 on my education, so I know a thing or two about which courses are worth the money, time, and investment, and which should be avoided at all costs. For today, I'm just going to briefly discuss some of my first courses that I took and discuss the pros and cons of each in subsequent videos, along with delve into some of the other courses that I took later on in my career. 3 of the first courses that I took were the BioSignature Modulation course from Charles Poliquin and the Poliquin Group, the Holistic Lifestyle Coaching course from Paul Chek and the Chek Institute, and the Fascial Stretch Therapy course from Anne and Chris Frederick of the Stretch to Win Institute. The BioSignature Modulation course teaches you how to properly assess a client's body fat using skin fold calipers. It also teaches you correlations between different fat storage sites and possible hormonal imbalances. Once you know which site is the priority, you can then cater a specific nutrition, supplementation, and exercise program to the individual. However, the results of the BioSignature Modulation method are not 100% accurate, so once you know the priority, it would be beneficial to have the patient or client go for blood work to either confirm or rule out your suspicion. The Holistic Lifestyle Coaching course teaches you to look at all facets of a person's life: nutrition, rest and recovery, the way they move, and their stress management. This is best illustrated by Paul Chek's 4 doctors: Dr. Diet, Dr. Quiet, Dr. Movement, and Dr. Happy. Upon completion of the course, you are given a series of questionnaires to give to patients or clients to determine which areas of their life need the most work. From there, you can determine if the patient or client needs more help with their nutrition, rest and recovery, their movement, or their stress management. The Fascial Stretch Therapy course teaches you how to perform an advanced version of table-based assisted PNF stretching that incorporates other manual therapy techniques as well. One of the main benefits of fascial stretch therapy is the ability for the patient or client to gain without pain. Unlike other stretching modalities which can cause pain or discomfort, the goal of a fascial stretch therapy treatment is to improve range of motion and postural dysfunction without eliciting any pain response from the patient or client. If you try to stretch to the point of pain, what's going to happen is the body will naturally want to tense up and guard itself to prevent injury. This puts the patient or client into a sympathetic state, which is not going to be optimal. By performing a pain-free stretch, the patient or client is better able to relax, placing them into a parasympathetic state, which allows for greater increases in range of motion. These were just 3 of the courses I took earlier on in my career, and over a decade later, I'm still using them regularly in my practice. Next week, I'll discuss some of the other courses I've taken that I've personally found to be incredibly beneficial in my practice. Then, I will go on to dedicate one unique video to each of these courses I've taken and detail both the pros and cons of each. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button so I know to make more of these types of videos in the future. And if you're either new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, as I will be uploading new videos every single day. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you again tomorrow.